Welcome back to Fresh Living. You probably have a first aid kit for yourself, but do you have one for your pet? Dr. Devon Smith is here to share why you should get one for your furry friend.
Just like people, dogs and cats can have medical emergencies, whether it be while you're traveling or relaxing at home. As such, it's important to consider your pets when stocking your first aid kit. Things to include are bandage material like rolled gauze, non-adhesive dressings, medical tape, and self-adhering tape like vet wrap. You should also pack hydrogen peroxide to help clean any dirty wounds, as well as a triple antibiotic spray or ointment. Since injuries can be painful, you should also consider a soft muzzle to place on your pet while cleaning and managing wounds to prevent injury to yourself or others. It might also be handy to include a list of toxic foods and plants, as well as diphenhydramine or Benadryl in the event of a bug bite. Finally, you should also pack a thermometer as well as practical tools like syringes, scissors, tweezers, and a flashlight. Connect with us at our station website by looking up for PetSafe. We'd also love to see your favorite pet moments that you can share with our community. Go to our news app, click Explore, chime in, and upload your pet-tastic photos.